This entry is from Team CEDAR. It is about a novel approach to the discovery of factors that can be used to prevent and treat disease. The problem we address is that biomedical research, while striving to help decrease risk and cure the disease, mostly looks for factors that lead to disease and increase risk. The solution we propose is to reverse the perspective from risk and disease to resistance and health, enabling the discovery of resistance factors that could be employed to maintain and improve health. Our team consists of experts in psychology, neurochemistry, human genetics, statistics, and epidemiology. Our focus is on drug addiction. The probability of developing a complex disorder like addiction depends on many variables, whose effects combine into a continuous trait liability. The high end of its scale corresponds to high risk, while the low end corresponds to high resistance. Biomedical studies usually compare high-risk individuals, for instance patients, with normal controls. The hope is to find risk factors and neutralize them. However, this neutralization may be infeasible, ineffectual, or unethical. A different and only seldom used approach is enhancing resistance to disease. The smallpox vaccine is an example. The necessary condition for identifying resistance factors is identification of a high-resistance population. In the case of smallpox, that was immune milkmaids. The main difficulty for that in complex diseases is identifying indicators of high resistance. We have overcome the difficulty by developing a methodology for quantifying liability to addiction and combining this index with the diagnostic outcome of a 20-year tracking of children. These two criteria enable selection of high resistance and control samples, resulting in indicators of resistance in the first quarter of the project year. In the second and third quarters, we will run analysis to derive an addiction resistance index. In the fourth quarter, this measure will be related to environmental and biological variables, potential resistance factors.